Went out the other night with all my friends. Started to feel like me again. Hadn't been that happy in a while. Had drinks and we put a sad song on. You're oh so casually brought up. There goes my night and goes my smile. Cause I was too cold to lose a voice down the drain. And I'm reminded that it all went to waste. So when my fans are asking if I miss you, what do I say? Hit it right on left, I'm gonna cry. Don't wanna hear your name tonight. Finally happy, not in the mood. Don't wanna think about you. Hit it right, only one more time. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Don't know what to do cause I'm not alright. But if I don't let go, I'm gonna made my way to the bathroom nonchalant. Cause I felt like two was coming on. It's not what I planned for my big night out. I'll be honest, just to do my makeup right. I feel the reason it gets ruined off this night. Either way, mascara